Okay guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a centerpiece me, my mom, and my sister made for my sister's baby shower. So, first I'm going to tell you guys where everything is from. So this dome is from Hobby Lobby. The flowers are from Michael's. The ballerina shoes are from Amazon. And the ballerina is from Amazon as well. So what we did was we used these little circle tape things to tape the ballerina in there. I think that's from Amazon as well. So this is how it looks. Hot glued the flowers around it. Hot glued the shoes inside of there. We hung the ballerina up. So this is how it looks. I'm just showing you guys for an idea for you guys baby shower. If y'all wanna have this. So this is how it looks. So thank you for watching.